Turn up the choir.
We got glizzies at 10,000 feet.
Okay, they burgers at 12,000.
It's the Blizz Master.
That's all I have to do.
You're gonna rizz 'em with Blizz'em.
I'm caught. Really live. In 4K Apple Pro HD.
Caught you guzzling.
Welcome once again. Tyler, you want to tell the audience what we may potentially have going on, and then we can confirm more of what is going on?
Yeah, we got a fiberless meal. We got meat, eggs, pancakes, and potatoes.
So we got the Farmer John Maple Link pork sausage, the free-range eggs. Treat your eggs good. Gordon Ramsay style. All you need is butter, eggs, and chives. Very essential. Hash browns that we're gonna hit with the press. Do it diner style, as you are supposed to, on some good oil.
And don't forget the drive-ins and dives.
We're gonna add a bell pepper in the mix, and that's gonna go in the saute for the eggs. Don't even get us started about what these may be for. Let's go. That's a 6-4. Oh. Boom.
Hit him with that 1890. That's that John Muir pack.
We're gonna make some mountain McGriddles here. So we got our chocolate chip pancakes prep right here. We're gonna do a little butter on the pancake itself.
You're tripping for that, man.
You're not
It was
tripping.
cooked in butter.
Cooked it in
This
butter
is America,
and
bro.
oil.
We are in a national park. This is the land of the free, the home, and the brave.
Well fucking said.
All right, a little hot honey. Just a little bit.
I can get behind the hot honey. But what about the maple syrup? You're gonna honey
Hold
and
up,
syrup?
hold up. Let's take things one at a time. All right, so we're gonna take one of these nice hash browns. All right, then we're gonna put some of our scrambled egg mixture on top. Tyler's freaking if I put avocado on it.
Dog, it's not
So
a
I
smash
feel
burger.
like it's an egg dish,
You
bro.
said it's a mountain
It can be a
McGriddle.
burger, bro.
There's no avocado on a McGriddle.
I think the move here is to cut the dogs a little bit.
Jesus Christ! I thought you were gonna put butter on the sausages.
No,
and I was
no,
gonna
no, we're
scream.
not that crazy. We're not that crazy.
Dog, you didn't even put the maple syrup on. You're putting burger sauce on. Burger sauce. It's Kinder's burger sauce.
Boom. Boom. Ooh. Cameraman's getting antsy here.
Cameraman's trying to eat.
We
Show me the underside. Nah, that.
Boom.
Look at all that.
look at all that. This is as ridiculous as it
Telling you,
gets.
not everything is a smash burger.
Okay, like I understand your point on the chocolate. I kind of understand your point on the avocado too, but you need to try some things once. That's it, we eating.